All right, cross sections. So cross sections, it's basically if you took a knife, they say a plane slicing through a solid. If you took a knife and you cut a three-dimensional shape and you opened it up, what shape would you see? So in this example right here, you have a cube. All of these are a cube. The orange plane right here is slicing, is cutting through. And then if you opened it up, what shape would you get? You would get a square. Here you are making a diagonal cut. What shape would you get? A rectangle. And so the purple shaded sections, let's see if I can make this purple too, that is the cross section. So this rectangle is the cross section. This square is the cross section. So you just want to make sure it's when you open it up. Sometimes people will get a little bit confused and they will think like that this is the cross section and it's a triangle. Nope, it's if you cut it and you open it up, what shape do you see? The last vocabulary that we have here is nets. So not like a fishing net, but in math and geometry, a net is sort of the flat 2D version or model of a 3D shape or a 3D figure. So this is a pretty important concept. We do have 3D printers. That technology is available, but it's slow and expensive. So most of our printing, especially if you think about, if you buy anything on Amazon, they ship it to you in a box. If you buy cereal, if you buy snack foods, right, it all comes in boxes and containers. Those are printed. That cardboard is printed two-dimensionally, and then we have kind of machines and assemblies that fold it. So the nets is pretty important for our business and economy here. All right, let's move on to the examples. So, example one, tell whether each solid is a polyhedron. If it is, name the polyhedron. And if it's not, I think we could still name it. So part A, yes, this is a polyhedron. Every single surface is a polygon. There are no circles. Polyhedron. All right, and then let's look at it. I see two bases, base 1, base 2, two bases, so it is a prism. I'm going to name the prism based on the shape of the base, and the shape of these two bases are rectangles. So this is a rectangular prism. All right, and the faces of this shape are rectangular. Another clue that it is a prism. All right, part B here. This has one vertice and one base, so it is a pyramid. I don't see any circles, so yes, it's a polyhedron. If you look at the shape of the base, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 sides, this is a hexagonal pyramid. The sides or faces are triangles. So yes, hexagonal pyramid. All right, part C. Already I see a circle, so no, this is not a polyhedron. A circle is not a polygon. I can still name it. It is a cone. All right, number 2, describe the shape formed by the intersection of the plane and the solid. So it's asking you for the cross section. It's asking you for the purple part. So here I'm getting a hexagon, triangle, rectangle, circle, and this looks to me like a trapezoid. All right, so here we kind of start to get into why some people feel geometry is an art class. Sketch the solid produced by rotating the figure around the given axis. Then identify, I already have the answers in here, don't I? Then identify and describe the solid. So here it's like you have this rectangle and you are rotating it around that line. That would make a cylinder. All right, and the radius would be 4, and the height would be 9. All right, here we have a triangle, and we're going to rotate it around this axis, and that would give us a cone. The height of my cone would be 5, and the radius would be 2. And this is going to kind of set us up nicely for thinking about surface area and volume later on. So that's all I'm going to do for 11.4 in person. I actually have a couple of games and different activities and around the world with shapes, but I think I'm going to keep it short and simple with the distance learning. If you need any help with any of that, I know it can be hard to visualize. You can always reach out to me. The homework, we have 11.4 on big ideas, 1 through 26, 37 through 39. Summary, what is a polyhedron? What are the key parts? What is a pyramid? So what are the key properties of a pyramid? You should discuss how many bases there are and what shape the faces are. What about a prism? How many bases does a prism have? What shape are the faces? What is a net? What is a cross section? Thank you.